go, guys. What was the name? Djurs Sommerland. First ever POV on Coast Stop. If you're watching this POV, make sure you watch the full vlog. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited for this one. Yay!
Oh, it's gonna be a big drop.
Yes, it's gonna be a big drop. Here we go, guys.
Hold my hand.
Woohoo! Good first drop, I have to say. Wasn't that powerful. This one is. I like this wild mice again. I think they're really fun. Whee!
Oh.
This is similar to the one in Europa Park. This is also similar to Geseng to South. This is a long roller coaster. This one is great. Oh, it's a really good roller coaster. I like that. This far, this park does not disappoint whatsoever. I'm back at the station. Thank you for watching, guys.